Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change layout on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint and then open any document. Now from here on the document, if you want to change your layout, just put the cursor here and then click on Home tab. After that, on the slide option you can see layout option, then just click on this arrow icon and that's it. Now here you can see 6 layout option and you can choose any option as you want. If you want to set this layout, just click here and it's done. You can see your layout has been changed successfully, and that way you can choose any layout as you want. Just click here and then choose any layout and that's it. Now if you want to add any background color, just put the cursor here and then click on layout and then choose any layout, and at the corner you can see so many design and you can choose any design as you like, but make sure that your internet connection is enabled. If I select this layout design and it's done, and that way you can change your layout, also layout design. And that is how you can change layout on PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.